Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on this Chromebook. So first you need to visit this URL https now.gg play Roblox operation, and until this one, copy this one and paste in your web browser. You can use Chrome for that one. This site stream Roblox game in browser without installation. It works well if your school has not blocked this site, but there is a limitation. In-game purchases may not be available and site could be blocked or slow during peak times. Another method is, if you are using Chromebook, you can able to install Android. You have to able to open the Play Store, so you can download Roblox on the Play Store. It is an Android application. If it is enable the Play Store, once it is open, you can install that one. This requires that your school has not disabled Play Store or installed strict admin control on your device. So these are the two methods you can try to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.